the fuck? Man, goddamn, you know what time it is? I hate them fucking cats! I hate them! Turn that shit off, I break it! Turn that shit off! God damn, I thought there was some cats in the house!
What's new once again?
Fuck you! I'll show you what's new, motherfucker! I'll show you what the fuck is new!
Holy!
Turn it off! What?
Oh, baby cat!
You one lucky goddamn bitch! Turn the motherfucker off!
Alright.
You know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Do you know how bad I hate fucking cats?
3:25.
Man, goddamn, that would have been a 10. Please turn them goddamn meow meow meow.
Relax.
I hate cats. Call PETA. Fuck you, bitch. You take them cats and stick off your goddamn vagina spot her ass. Turn off. That's it. Turn them off.
Sound like criminal.
Turn that motherfucker. Man, goddamn, give me a motherfucking heart attack.
Wake
here.
up.
Goddamn, man, why you do that?
They're cute.
You know how bad I hate cats. I hate cats more than I hate Obama. And that's going a bit. Don't turn that motherfucker back. Cats, I hate cats. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Row, row, row. That's all them cats do, man.
Go to sleep.
All them goddamn cats do is lay around and go, meow, meow, meow. I hate cats. Take all them goddamn.
Once again.
That's it. Turn it. Stop. 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 That's it. Stop. Don't make me get violent. I'll kill me some goddamn pussy. You leave that motherfucker.
God!
Shut up, bitch. You're the goddamn cause of it all anyway. Bring feeding them goddamn cats outside our motherfucking house. How I'm hanging around.
Well, they gotta eat too.
Well, I hate them.
Well, that's your problem.
You
Good
feed
night.
them. You got goddamn shot. Get out of my way. All I do, goddamn, you feed them. You feed them. You feed them. You fucking bitch. Quit feeding them fucking cats. You understand me?
Shut up and get out of here.
Fuck you. Damn, I can't go back to sleep now.